Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. So in this short video tutorial, I am going to show you that how you can fix TikTok comments not showing on your iPhone devices. So the process is really simple and you just have to follow the simple steps I show you in this video. And without any further ado, let's get started. To get started, just search and open the TikTok application in your iPhone device. Let it load. So from here, just go to your profile and click on this. Sorry for this. Okay, click on these three bars. Scroll this page. And guys, you can see the option to clear your cache. It's currently 42 M, maybe M stands for megabytes. And to fix TikTok comments not showing your on your iPhone devices is to clear cache sometimes because there might be some unknown error or an issue in your cache. So clearing the cache will totally resolve the issue. So just click on it and here we go. As you can see, it's 0 megabyte currently. And second thing that you can do to fix TikTok comment not showing on your iPhone devices is that always stay connected to internet while checking your TikTok comments. So that was it for today guys. I really hope that you loved this video because if you did, please don't forget to like this video. Thank you.